This morning, barricades are out right now in front of civil district courts ahead of a major and critical hearing involving the latest status of abortion trigger laws in Louisiana. The state Supreme Court rejecting Attorney General Jeff Landry's request to immediately enforce the abortion ban, which was previously put on hold by an Orleans civil court judge. Now, today's hearing could change that and play a pivotal role. And while the barricades go up outside, the legal battle will play out inside of Orleans Civil District Court. WDSU reporter Heath Allen joins us live this morning. And Heath, really at this point, not many people know exactly what to expect. But as you were saying, regardless of the outcome, it's just the next step in a long process here.
Yeah, you were just laying it out. There's an awful lot of moving parts at work in all of this ever since Roe versus Wade was overturned by the U.S. Supreme Court. And as you can see out here, barricades are up. Whatever happens inside the courtroom a little bit later on today, authorities want to make sure they're ready to prepare and handle whatever may happen outside. Controversial issue. And yes, you can expect crowds to be gathering a little bit later on. So how did we get here? Bottom line is this: a few days after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, Orleans Civil District Judge Robin Giarrusso pretty much threw a roadblock in front of the state of Louisiana trigger laws. Those are the state laws blocking abortion that were set to go into effect when Roe v. Wade was overturned. Efforts by Attorney General Jeff Landry to immediately enforce the trigger laws were rejected by the state Supreme Court until this hearing today, with the constitutionality of those triggers now going before the court. Then on another front, the New Orleans City Council passed a resolution that in effect decriminalizes abortions. That issue drawing passion, of course, from both sides.
For many years, me and my husband have prayed outside of the abortion mill, okay? And we've seen beautiful little ladies go in and come out absolutely distraught and broken.
The most important thing that we should be considering right now in this moment is the fear that medical providers are going to be living under, that they would not be able to intervene in the way that their best medical judgment would indicate.
So the hearing dealing with Louisiana's trigger laws goes on at 11 o'clock this morning here at Civil District Court in New Orleans. And as you say, whatever happens behind those doors inside later on today probably will not be the end of the legal battle. Chad, back to you.
All right, Heath, thank you very much.